Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Anthony from Black Brick Training and I will be your instructor for the entire course. In this course you will learn SEO or search engine optimization from the basics. You will start by learning what SEO actually is and why we would use it. Then we will move on to some SEO tips from me. After that we will take a look into keywords, what they are, why we use them and how to use them, and also how to find the best ones for you. And then we will learn about on and off page SEO, what it is, and dive deep into some fantastic tools and techniques to maximize your success with it. And then finally, I will end the course along with some bonus lectures and some other cool bonuses that will help you out in the future of SEO and learning more from Black Brick Training. Thank you for watching. I can't wait for you to start this course. I will see you there. Once again, thanks for watching and goodbye.